Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this bronze halo makeup look that I am wearing right now. So if you want to see how I achieved the look and what products I use, then please just keep on watching. Hello again. So I already have my base on. I'm using the new Tarte Shape Tape Foundation in the color Light Medium Neutral, and it is amazing. I love it so much. It's my first time using it. Now for the eyes, I'm going to go in with the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to take this light brown shade and just diffuse it into the crease as the transition color. And to darken that up a little bit, I'm taking the color Maple from the Lorac Mega Pro 3 palette with a small pencil brush and putting that into the crease as well, and then blending both colors together with the same fluffy brush, just so they mesh well and blend together. And now to start creating the halo effect, I'm going to take the color Maple with that pencil brush, and I'm going to put a small amount on the outer corner and the inner corner of the eyes, leaving the middle of the eyelid completely blank because that is where we're going to put our pigment later on. And it doesn't have to be perfect because we can clean up any lines or mistakes with concealer. And just make sure you're blending so that there are no harsh lines and everything just flows very well together. Now I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape and put a small amount on the center of my eyelids. I'm also going to look up, and wherever that concealer touches is where I'm going to stop the line to bring the concealer down. I learned this trick from Nicole Guerrero on her YouTube channel, and it makes a big difference, and it's really easy to do, and it makes a really pretty look. So once you have finished putting the concealer on the center of the eyelid, you can go in with any pigment of your choice. I'm using this teeny tiny one from M.A.C in the color Melon, and spraying my brush with some Fix Plus and then applying that pigment to the center of the eyelids to give the eye look a really nice pop. And the concealer helps to just brighten that area so the pigment has something to lay on top of. And this pigment was only $10 and it's teeny tiny and so cute, and now I need all the colors that they have. And now if you have any fallout, just take a very light hand and take a brush. I'm using my stippling brush just to dust it off. And I'm going to define the outer and inner corners again with the color Maple. To highlight, I'm using the color Pink Cream from the Lorac Mega Pro 3 palette. And I'll use that same color to do the inner corners as well. Now I'm going to slap my brows on. I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color Ebony. And I'm just going to lay down the foundation for this. They're not going to be perfect. And I'll just come back to them later once I finish the rest of my eye look. I'm not too worried about them. Now moving on to glitter, this is from Decay. I'm going to put that in the crease, and I'm going to use this Tarte eyeliner in Maneater, and I'm going to put some lashes on. And once you get your lashes on, it should look something like this. Sorry, duck face not included. Now for the waterline, I'm using this one by Smashbox. The lower lash line, I'm using the color Maple, and for mascara, here's M.A.C Cosmetics. I think I have finally caught up with my voice. Now for powders, I'm using this one from Tarte. It is a finishing powder. It's going to give the skin a light wash of color. And to deepen that up, I'm using M.A.C Give Me Sun Bronzer. And now I'm going to just blend away with my good old bestie, Mr. Stippling Brush. And for blush, I'm taking this peachy bronzy color from Tarte in the color Feisty. And for highlight, I'm using Gilded Honey. And Mr. Stippling Brush makes another appearance to blend in the highlighter. Now for lips, I'm using Kylie Cosmetics lipstick in the color Dulce de Leche. And going in with Urban Decay's sheer lipstick in the color Earthling, I'm just going to lighten that up a little bit. And for added shine, I'm using this Color Luster Lip Gloss by Laura Geller in the color City Lights.
Alright everyone, that completes today's look. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!